I just want to make this video to Evangelist Ebuka Obi because that's no okay get make it like this. Oh, na go me hold you eborago. Ejiri anegu. It's high time Evangelist Ebuka start reacting to all this nonsense. For me, because I don't see any reason why an Igbo person say that a fellow Igbo person like him will not do something in Igbo land. I found the reason why somebody got from Enugu state. So when he menata Evangelist Ebuka host to Crusade in Enugu state. Enugu state is part of Igbo land, and every Igbo person have the right to do whatever within any part in Igbo land. Evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry should take this recent incident very, very serious and get to the root of this whole nonsense. We want to know that person that gave an order for the stadium to be locked after the ministry or the management paid in full for that particular stadium for weeks or months, and the event was announced. In fact, this particular concluded crusade, they used to announce it every day. So if there is any issue, I don't see the reason why they will wait till that day of the event to mess things up. And on top of that, they came to pick him up as what? As a nene or as Deriwa Mama. Someone like Evangelist Ebuka, you just out of nowhere, just to hold him down, detain him, so that people will be for crusade. I know I got half here, but things are messed up. But maybe after that, you guys will release him and achieve your plan. But God is not stupid, like I always tell people. Evangelist Ebuka's ministry should not allow this incident, the recent incident, to just pass like that. They should pick everyone involved, especially those people who make flyers that the crusade Agaha Ehuduzi. According to the update I received, some of them, the should be investigated to know who sent them, to know who sponsored that particular act, and whoever that is involved should be punished. Because this whole matter now, all I got to say, be careful. When I was speaking with this guy on the phone regarding everything, at the point he was saying that when the Spirit of God revealed to Evangelist Ebuka that they are coming for him, he have to leave the hotel and Ghana somewhere, like just from out of the hotel and go to somewhere else to spend the night, so that those people will not see him. It's embarrassing. It's very, very. In fact, I've been pissed off now that the phone call when was saying a lot of things. Who is that person as who as like in one who state you personal property or personal state here? Nobody is more Igbo than anybody. And as far as you are an Igbo person, you have the right to do whatever you want to do in any part of Igbo land. Everybody involved in this whole case should not be left out. Both the commissioners in our own order, the order not to around whatever, they should go to this place. Who are you? Who gave the order? You know, and it's high time when they say we can start mentioning names. Make the thing cause the level and okay tabos level ka they respect konya can respect konya encourage women especially when that particular person don't want to respect himself, then there is no need of that respect. When you are trying to respect someone and that person is not respecting himself, there is no need. You know, so it's high time. A lot of things happen all these years. Many times AG made topic no bako. I don't want to actually make bafa. When I wouldn't respect so much, away no na rokage na kage na rokage. Now look at the kind of gang up. This recent one should let Evangelist Ebuka know that these people are very mean to him. In fact, these people favor Gesi off easily. You see, this recent incident for me is an eye-opener to him. Because it's not making any sense to me. If at all, no name, whatever, actually invite here to police station or whatever, must it be that night stroke the next day of his event? And let's say no, we go there to reach the stadium where they paid in full. You guys collected the money, and this event has been announced like they used to announce about this particular event every day, and you guys are aware of it. Nobody said anything. Nobody sent an invite. Nobody sent a text message that no, you guys should stop talking about this event. It's not going to happen here. You want to use this stadium, or you want to do this on this stadium. When you want to bank it lock or until the last day, so the day of the event, gang up a quick proposal, a flyer. For you to see how wicked and heartless these people could be. You get on one side, design their flyers, making this person, this thing will not hold again, just to discourage people from coming. But guess what? What happened at last? And you think God is stupid? No, it's not possible, because I've had it all. We have seen it all, even from when I was over there before coming over to this side. So it's high time we act. No bishop or me, that you know the very day. Oh, we see bishop or me, and that maybe I want the one Pinogi on the Ora.
Igbo ekene m n'ụbọchị nke tata Igbo ndị ma njem ọnụ. Ihe abịa m nwere ikwu gbasara video our brother Obama TV me. Obulo ịbịa na apologize for what happened at Zion ground Enugu yesterday with the issue. But we also want to know the people that say the people they sponsor that flyers and the the order can't mean anything again na stadium after all the payments hame. Like no way they use this, no way let go the stadium before Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a different case. But ha hapụ emechicha everything set check this thing sounds na ndị otu ya, and they signed it, they should go ahead. Then mmadụ bịa get order from nowhere, not even governor or any, but anonymous just get order just like that. The next thing achọwa utageshimia arrest na hotel ebe ọ nọ, as in ozuloli ka again. I don't get it. So we would like to know, like na, if it's left for me, nga suggest the Inspector General of Police Enugu State come again, go release a statement after investigation, or release a statement so that this whole this whole thing may assume kokusa. At least amaloya anaya, maloya deep behind all these things that is happening. Because it must seem that Namad just knock at no puta JBF flyer without somebody sponsoring it. Of course it's not possible. Obuno ndana ekehali that flyer be just decide on their own, then they should face the punishment. And the person that made that announcement, that made that order, to say many years, to say many that crusade, we also need to bring that person to justice. Apology will also, because tomorrow it will still happen again. We want to know, the whole world wants to know. In fact, the whole Nigerians, most especially our Christians, they want to know who sponsored that thing. Actually, behind that order and that flyer and the arrest actually Evangelist Ebuka Obi. And you people should also say Ebuka Obi making when me arrest. Oh yeah, we just a second see basali our brother ku okwana mkola mnoni bondo manje mono. Oye chozi kuchia iwe kikuya na comment section. Marabika bale kwa na mad echefone subscribe, comment, share ma ono notification ge. Akambuwada Igbo Epic Blog. Yaga Selmon Kemestian.